What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is, could there be a fourth stimulus check? And more specifically, Democratic lawmakers are pushing for more direct payments and a fourth stimulus package. Basically, as you see right here, I'm not allowed to play videos, but if you zoom in right here, a group of 10 Democratic senators released a letter on March 2nd asking Biden to include an additional stimulus money in the next administration spending bill that is expected to follow the American Rescue Plan. Basically, if you didn't know, according to the Washington Post, there's supposed to be another rescue bill coming, in the next month or so, and according to my source, it could possibly include a fourth stimulus check. I don't know if it's going to be $1,200 or $1,400, but I do know right now it's actually being negotiated and it's being talked about right now in Senate and Congress, guys. Trust me, I have a source that works inside Senate and Congress, and they've been working there for over 5 years. And then we have this article right here basically stating the same exact thing. It says right here, third stimulus check update. Is there going to be a fourth stimulus payment coming? And if we go right here, the headline, the IRS says 127 million stimulus check have been issued. Not only that, more progressive agenda, guys, the further continuation of stimulus packages, and it's rumored, like I've been saying, another stimulus package is more than likely going to actually come after the American Rescue Plan, as you see right here. And according to my source, according to Washington Post, according to Fox News, very reputable sources, both the Democrat and the Republican Party are actually talking amongst each other, guys. They're trying to reach some kind of compromise, some kind of new stimulus plan, which will allegedly include fourth stimulus check. Again, I don't know the amount. I don't know if it's going to be $1,200 or $1,400, but the most important part is that they're actually negotiating and they're talking amongst themselves secretly. But right now, Congress isn't telling people because they want to make sure everybody, there's still people who haven't received their third stimulus check, me included, right? I want to give away all my third stimulus check and I've yet to receive it. And there's a lot of people just like me who have yet to receive their stimulus check. And I'm sure Congress, Biden, everybody else, Democrats, Republicans, they don't want to, get people's hopes up and saying, listen, we're negotiating a fourth stimulus check when there's people out there who still haven't even received their third stimulus check, right? What about them? I think they want to give it a month. They want to make sure everyone gets the third stimulus check. And then they want to let people know, listen, there's going to be another stimulus package. And hopefully the fourth stimulus check can actually be the same amount, if not more, than the first two. But real quick, I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift card. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, it's very simple and it's free, guys. All you have to do is you have to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and just comment below. Let me know, did you guys actually receive your stimulus check? Do you have your third stimulus check? What did you do with it? Just comment below. I genuinely love reading the comments. I read every single comment. If I liked and heart your comment, guys, I read it. Also, guys, let me know in the comments right now, do you believe a fourth stimulus check is possible to be included in the next spending bill that's actually expected to follow the American Rescue Plan in the next 1 to 2 months? I'm genuinely curious to see what most people are saying. Do you believe that we might actually receive one? Do you think it's possible? Or do you think absolutely not? They're not going to reach any kind of agreement? Me personally, guys, I think right now it's maybe a 50-50 chance. I keep it 100% honest. There's no information, anything that swayed you to more than 50%. Right now it's the flip of a coin, guys, but at least they're negotiating. At least it's a possibility, right? The door is not fully closed. It's left a little bit creep open. It might happen, guys. There might still be a possibility to receive a fourth stimulus check. But like always, guys, I always bring the most latest and greatest stimulus check news. I keep you guys as up to date as possible. But not only that, I don't spam you guys with the same exact video every single day. If you take a look at my channel, I haven't really posted a stimulus check update in a couple of days because there hasn't been any stimulus check news. Please do me a huge favor, guys. Go to one of my last 2 videos. Please hit that like button. It would mean a lot to me. I put a lot of time, effort, and energy into these videos, guys, recording, editing them. I really appreciate if you guys can just please hit that like button on these 2 videos. Like I said, daily videos, daily giveaways. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and just leave a comment. And then when this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking the winner from the comments at random in my next video. If you guys aren't a member, if you want to support me, all the money goes to charity. Please hit this white join button, become a member. You get a diamond next to your name. You get exclusive emojis, guys. You get exclusive members only community tab, exclusive content, pictures, polls, videos, live stream, giveaways, guys. All this for my members. It only costs 99 cents and all the money goes to charity. Also, I do have a clothing line brand. If you guys did get your stimulus, you actually want to support me, $19.99. It's all it costs to buy a shirt, 100% kind. And again, all the money goes to charity and actually continuing these giveaways. Like I said, I post daily videos, daily giveaways. Please hit that like button, share this on social media. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, I post daily videos and daily giveaways. That's it for today, guys. Peace. That's it for today, guys. Peace.